Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the online classes of Others Convent School Nechwa. This video is created for the students of class 9 subject English. Dear friends, this is going to be our first class in English subject. So we are going to start with our textbook entitled Beehive on Your Demand. Firstly, we are going to start our textbook, and then earlier we will go for grammar section. So dear students, our chapter 1 is the fun they had. What kind of fun we are going to talk about? So before we start the chapter, I would like to clarify some certain things, some points we will discuss. What kind of fun we are going to talk about in the chapter? Dear friends, this is the chapter, the fun they had, and actually this chapter is written on the basis of imagination. That in upcoming time, you can say in 22nd century, what kind of changes will happen in our lives. So the chapter The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. So the chapter, as I told you, is based on imagination, that what kind of the world will be in next century. As you all know that now we are living in 21st century, and in 22nd century the world will have some changes, like in changes in our lifestyle, changes in technology, changes in our living standard, and you can say many works that we do. So the story, before you read, the story we shall read is set in future, when books and schools as we know now them will perhaps not exist. So it is clear that we are going to read a story, and this is set in future time, when books and schools perhaps will not exist. As you know, author has the imagination that perhaps in upcoming time there will be no use of schools and you can say another institutions. Students will directly study from home. How will children study then? The question arises that if in next century there are no schools, then where will children go for study? The diagram below may give you some ideas. So let's see. Here we have a diagram of 4 pictures. First says learning through computers. You can see here a student sitting on computer, and then there is a robotic teacher, a robot who will be a teacher, and then there is a virtual classroom. You can see here a girl is sitting in the virtual classroom, and then the fourth picture is moving e-text. It means a text that is moving on the screen of monitor of the computer. So here it is schools of the future. So you can imagine, author here tells us that what kind of schools we will have in future. Let's see. Now, so I think that you have a map in your mind that we are going to read a story, and the theme of the story is that in 22nd centuries what kind of schools we will have. Actually, the story is set in future. Next point. In pairs, discuss three things that you like best about your school and three things about your school that you would like to change. Write them down. So you will make some pairs in your classroom and you will discuss the three things that you like best about your school, and then the three things that maybe that you don't like and that you would like to change in your school. Next is, have you ever read words on a television or computer screen? Can you imagine a time when all books will be on computers and there will be no books printed on paper? Would you like such books better? Let's see. Here I'm going to tell you some interesting things, and you can say an interesting thing about the chapter we are going to start. Dear friends, as we know that this is our first class today, and मैं आपको एक रियल क्लासरूम के बजाय ऑनलाइन क्लासेस दे रहा हूँ, और हमारे चैप्टर की थीम भी यही है दैट इन फ्यूचर हमारे क्लासरूम्स कैसे होंगे, हमारी स्टडी कैसे होगी, हमारी बुक्स कैसे होंगी, हम होमवर्क कैसे सबमिट करेंगे, असाइनमेंट्स कैसे डिज़ाइन करेंगे. सो दैट इज़ द थीम ऑफ द चैप्टर. और इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग यही है कि हम इस स्टोरी को हम रीड कर रहे हैं वो ऑनलाइन माध्यम से ही हम इस स्टोरी को आज रीड कर रहे हैं. सो दैट इज़ अ ग्रेट कोइंसिडेंस and really interesting thing also. By the way, this story जैसे कि आपको पता है it is printed on the paper, and now because of lockdown हमें इसे PDF में आपके मोबाइल या कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे हम इसे रीड कर रहे हैं. तो यू नो दैट दिस इज़ 21st सेंचुरी. तो 21st सेंचुरी में भी यही हो रहा है कि हम एक बुक पढ़ने के बजाय, पेपर बुक पढ़ने के बजाय हम ई बुक से हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं. तो ऑब्वियसली जनरली अगर हम देखें तो हमारे ऑथर की ये जो इमेजिनेशन है कि 22nd सेंचुरी में स्टूडेंट्स स्टडी कैसे करेंगे, इट मीन्स ऑनलाइन वो स्टडीज़ करेंगे. तो देखा जाए तो ये बिल्कुल हमें लगता भी है कि 21st सेंचुरी में भी अगर हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ले रहे हैं तो ऑब्वियसली 22nd सेंचुरी में स्कूल्स की, क्लासरूम की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं रहेगी. जैसे कि हम आपको क्लासेस आपके घर पे प्रोवाइड करवा रहे हैं एंड आप अपने होम्स में स्टे होकर के वहीं से स्टडीज़ कर रहे हैं. तो ऑब्वियसली इसी तरह से 22nd सेंचुरी में तो हम मान सकते हैं कि कम्प्लीटली जो है इस तरह की ऑनलाइन एंड वर्चुअल क्लासेस जो हैं वो स्टार्ट हो चुकी होंगी. सो वी अगेन रिटर्न टू आवर चैप्टर द फन दे हैड. सो आई होप दैट स्टोरी की जो थीम है वो आपको समझ में आ गई होगी कि स्टोरी जो हमारी है दैट इज़ सेट इन द फ्यूचर टाइम में हम इमेजिन करते हैं एक ऐसे टाइम का, उस टाइम का जब बुक्स जो हैं, पेपर जो है वो बिल्कुल एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगा. सारी जो बुक्स हैं वो सब ऑनलाइन कंप्यूटर्स में स्टोर्ड होंगी. आप अपने कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे उन्हें रीड कर पाएंगे और आपको पेपर पे रीड या राइट करने की आपको कोई नेसेसिटी नहीं रह जाएगी. आप अपना होमवर्क, असाइनमेंट जो है वो सब आप ऑनलाइन सबमिट किया करेंगे. सो दैट इज़ लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ यू कैन से आइडिया ऑफ द चैप्टर. एंड द फन दे हैड, यहाँ पे टाइटल जो है, टाइटल में जो वर्ड है दैट द फन दे हैड, दे हियर रिफर्स टू द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ 21st सेंचुरी और यू कैन से 20th सेंचुरी और 19th सेंचुरी. इट मीन्स कि उस टाइम के जो चिल्ड्रन हैं उनके लिए ये सब कितना फ़न था कि वो पेपर पे राइट की हुई बुक्स को रीड करते थे, वो स्कूल्स जाते थे, वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ इंजॉय करते थे, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ लंच शेयर किया करते थे, उनके साथ स्टडीज़ करते थे, अपनी प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस करते थे, स्कूल में एक दूसरे के साथ गैदरिंग करते थे, दे यूज़ टू प्ले. सो वी आर going to talk about such kind of the fun. So dear friends, this that was theme of our chapter, the fun they had. I hope that you have understood that what is the idea of the chapter. So this is about the theme of our chapter we have discussed. And now for homework, I am giving you just only, you can say, 3 points in your homework. Point number second, discuss 3 things that you like best about your school and 3 things about your school that you would like to change. This is the question for your homework, and you will write 3 things about your school, 3 best things that you like about your school, and the 3 things that you would like to change in your school. So please write these 6 points on your notebook and send me pictures as your homework assignment, right? And from next class we will start the chapter from the beginning, and just believe me, this is going to be an real interesting and very very funny chapter, the fun they had. So I think this is enough for today, and we have not much earlier time as it is our virtual class. So we will meet in the next chapter. In the next class we will start the chapter. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you.